Here's something that might surprise you. Out of the three main macronutrients, protein, fat, and carbohydrates, only two are essential for human life. The third, totally optional. Let's break it down. Every food you eat is made up of some mix of these macronutrients. Protein. Think of this as your body's construction crew. Protein builds and repairs muscles, organs, skin, enzymes, and even hormones. Without protein, life simply isn't possible. Fat. Far from being the enemy, fat is critical. It fuels your brain, cushions your organs, transports vitamins A, D, E, and K, and forms the membranes of every single cell. Certain fats are so vital, they're called essential fatty acids. Carbohydrates. Carbs are the quick energy source. They fuel physical activity, spike insulin, and often taste amazing. But here's the twist. Your body cannot make protein. Your body cannot make essential fats. That's why both are essential nutrients. You must eat them to stay alive. But carbohydrates? They're different. Carbs are not essential. Your body has a built-in survival trick called gluconeogenesis. It can create all the glucose it needs from protein and fat. That means you could live your entire life without eating carbs and your body would still function just fine. This doesn't mean carbs are evil. They're useful for fast energy, athletic performance, and food enjoyment. But they're optional fuel, not the foundation of life. Think of it like building a car. Protein and fat are the engine and frame. Without them, the car doesn't run. Carbs? They're the gas pedal. Helpful, but not essential for the car to exist. So when it comes to nutrition, focus first on the essentials. Protein and healthy fats. Then add carbohydrates as a choice, depending on your goals and lifestyle. Remember, your body's survival kit was designed with protein and fat at the core, and carbs as an option.